Good morning, traders. Michael Sabo here on July 30th, coming to you here from RJO Futures with some commentary here in the energy markets. Let's get started here. Kind of quiet so far in the overnight here and into the early morning here. Right now we've got September crude around 89.86, off about 27. Brent also a touch weaker, around 106.14, down about 33 cents. So not too big of a move there here. Market kind of two-sided action. Give me a call. You want to talk about that WTI Brent spread? Be more than happy to get into some detail with you. That a lot of opportunity there. Taking a look at your nat gas, though, this morning, started off a little bit weaker. We did have option expiration there on Friday, and that nat gas really turning around, making a pretty big move here to the upside. Currently, we're trading around 317.10, up about 15 to 16 cents. That's about a 5% move. So, you know, I mentioned to you there last week about possibly playing that nat gas. I still like that nat gas. Give me a call. We can get into some more detail on some strategies there. It's doing a great job of holding above that $3 area. There could be some more upside there to come, possibly some short squeezing going on. So give me a call. We'll get into more detail. Taking a look at the complex, the RBOB around 290. 83, it's up about 205. We're seeing the heat just a touch weaker, around 288.25, down about 70 cents, down about 70 ticks there. So certainly seeing a little bit of a mixed attitude there in the complex. There's the crude's been a little bit quiet here. You know, looking at the crude oil market here right now, fundamentals, I mean, it's a bit mixed. As I've mentioned in previous posts, supply side looks great. Demand more, still remains questionable out there. ECB, they're talking about pursuing some pretty aggressive strategies to lower borrowing costs for Spain and Italy. So, of course, that gets the market a little bit excited there. U.S., there's talk. We'll see later this week, but the feel or the talk right now, as far as the U.S. goes, that they could do something to offer a little bit more monetary stimulus here to the markets, which is still very questionable at best as to what's going to happen. As I mentioned before, at some point here, the medicine is going to become the poison, and we could see some pretty bad things happening. So, right now, I mean, crude price is kind of two-sided, although if you take a look at, the technical side of the market, we did have, I'd mentioned on Friday about the potential for an inside day. And you look at the high on Thursday, the high was 90.47. The high on Friday was 90.45. So the low, you look at the chart, was clearly inside Friday's range was clearly inside Friday's. And today we did see a high now of 90.95. Of course, the market backed off. But if you've never played the inside day, or you don't know how, what constitutes that strategy, give me a call. I'll go into detail with you on how you can play that. In the meantime, I'm looking at that oil, and I think short-term overbought. I do have a calculated risk option strategy. I can show you how to position yourself. September options take advantage of a potential move lower here as we're coming into, these are September options that'll be expiring here in August. So basically you've got a few weeks on that. But give me a call at the trade desk. It's 800-367-7290. We can get into more detail on that strategy. And if you'd like to be added to the distribution list there for the DOE numbers, the expectation and the actual, always great information to have at your fingertips. I email that out. Give me a call, shoot me an email, and we can go over that. Of course, remember that futures trading may not be suitable for everyone, and the risk of loss does exist. Good luck and good trading.